my beauties, welcome back to Wendy's World. In this particular tutorial, I'm going to go down to the drugstore and I'm going to purchase all the makeup that Dominique Sachse suggests in her latest video, Drugstore Glam Makeup. And I'm going to try to demonstrate the makeup and see how it turns out for me. I'll take you with me. So I just wanted to start with a nice clean face, and you'll do that as well. So I'm going to start with what Dominique suggests, and it's called the Shine Killer from NYX, and I'm going to apply it. Now, I don't usually use this type of product, and the reason why I'm doing this tutorial is because there are ladies like yourself and myself that are mature ladies, and we watch Dominique and we adore her, but let's try her products out and see, not her products, but the products that she suggests, because I am curious about them. The other product that she suggested was NYX, and this is the foundation, and it's called Can't Stop, Won't Stop. What I have chosen is the Classic Tan. Now, I'm just going to put it on my arm. I'm going to, just dab it on. And as Dominique suggested, what you're going to do is you're going to go for a color that is close to your chest color. Now, the really tricky thing for me at the Shoppers today was when I purchased the product, as you know, we can't test the products right now. So it was just kind of a guessing game for me, and hopefully I've done all right with it. I'm going to smooth it out. Now, things probably are starting to open up for you as well as for my city. And so what I'm hoping is we're going to be able to go to the restaurants soon. Then you take the product and you take it down your neck, under your neck and down your neck. Looks like I need a little bit more. It's going on really nice and smoothly. It's actually a nice satin finish. That's good. So then next is this, and it's the Full Wear Infallible L'Oreal. And this is the concealer above my eye for preparation for my eyeshadow. So next, I am going to use the Maybelline Tattoo Studios to do my eyebrows. And I'm kind of excited about this product because it looks gorgeous. And the color that I chose is a dark brown. Provides a brush, and it's dual in that it has a brush and it has this, a spoolie, to soften out the line that you've created. So I have never actually used any of these products before. So this is my first time using them, as it'll be the first time for you to use them. And so let's get started. Oh, this is so tricky to do on the camera, but I'm going to do my best. So I create my line first, and then I draw it down. I'll soften it up here with little light strokes. So then you can take the spoolie and soften the line a little, like that. Okay. I like to create a more defined look above my eyebrow. So I'll do a little bit of dab there, use the concealer. Try to create a nice line, because inevitably we have a little bit of a shadow above our brow, and this will help get rid of that eyeshadow. So then next, I'm going to take this gorgeous palette that was suggested by Dominique. I'm going to open it like this so that I don't ruin my nail polish. And check these colors out. This is Chocoholic. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the shimmer. This one, which she did, I'm going to suggest, but I am going to use a bit of the sparkle as well. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to draw a little bit above my lid or my crease, and I'm going to take it and draw it slightly upwards. That. Take the darker shade, and I'm going to just put a little along the lid right here, close to my lash line, and then I'm going to raise it up here on the corner, and again I'm going to go upwards as opposed to outwards. Now next I'm going to use the sparkly purple color, and I'm going to put a little on the side here, just to have a little bit of sparkle. Just to add a little glam, because that's what we're going for. It's a little bit of glam, right ladies? The lighter shade here. And I'm going to put it under my brow bone here. I'm going to soften everything up so that we don't have any hard lines. All right, I'm going to put it here just to lighten things up a little, because we tend to have a little darkness here. Now I'm going to take the eyeliner, and the eyeliner here is the Infallible by L'Oreal. And I'm going to, it's actually really nice. It has a sponge-like tip to soften the line. Oops, I can't even open it. There you go. And it's retractable. I'm gonna go along my lash line. Some of my lashes as well. I'm not going to draw too heavily on the bottom lashes, because really we want to draw most of the attention to the eyes. Coverage, and I'm going to cover under my under eye area where we have our dark circles, but I'm also going to cover along this area and this area. And take my sponge. This is actually really nice. Nice product. It's smooth and it goes on evenly. It's beautiful. I'm so glad I discovered Dominique's video. So I'm noticing that I have some really dark circles, and probably due to sleeping in or going to sleep really late. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to go along the dark area and not highlight my puffy. So I'm going to do something slightly different than what Dominique did in her video, and that is I'm going to create a cat-like eye for myself, and I'm going to use my eyeliner, and the one that I have is Super Precise Essence. This is not easy to do. I'm going to do a little bit of eyeliner underneath my eye. Very little. I'm going to take the sponge and I'm going to soften it a little. There you go. It's starting to come along, don't you think? So I really want to dial up the glam just like all us girls like to do once in a while. It makes you feel good, makes you feel like you're having some fun, because we haven't had much fun lately. So that's what I'm trying to bring to you, some fun. So the next is the Voluminous Original Mascara from L'Oreal. I've never tried this. I'm excited to do it and try it. I'm not going to pump my mascara. No. I'm going to do this so I can get as much of the formula on the wand as possible. And here we go. When I turn away from the camera, can you see all this sparkle? Sparkle on my eyeshadow, isn't it pretty? Okay, let's see. Dominique is right. This is a gorgeous mascara. Don't know if you can see how well it's going on and bringing out my tiny little Asian eyelashes. But look at that, gorgeous. This is a trick that I learned as an actress many moons ago, and that is I take my eyeliner and I do this. It's a nice, it darkens the lashes, and there you go, gorgeous. Something that I needed to get used to. I didn't really like it when people did it for me, but I can do it now on my own. There you go. And the blush color that I have chosen is the Rose. I think it's actually the same one that Dominique chose, which is kind of strange considering we are very different skin tones. But here we go. Let's see how it works for me. Ooh, pretty. Really pretty, don't you think? Wow, really surprised. Now I'm going to take the Can't Stop, Won't Stop NYX, and I'm going to set my makeup. This is the setting powder. And, okay. I think I need to open it. Okay, that was a little tricky. There's actually a little plastic thing here. There you go. It's funny, they don't provide a little sponge or something for you. Okay, no worries. I have my own brush. So this will set your makeup. And I tend to have a oily T-zone area, so I'm going to go over that really well. Dominique suggested that you use a bronzer, and I absolutely love bronzers. So I have a ton of my own bronzers, and I didn't purchase the one that she suggested. So what I have here is the MAC bronzer. You can see how pretty it is. I'm going to take it, and there you go, some nice sparkles. Add a little here. I'm gonna add a little here. And here. Take it down my neck. It's pretty. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the eyelashes. Now, Dominique suggested that we use those lashes, these ones. They're magnetics, and I personally don't like them. I am one of those that struggle, Dominique. I really struggle with these, and but I'm gonna try to do it for this tutorial, because again, we are dialing up the glam. She said, so let's put it on your eyelash. Hold it down, take the other side and pop it underneath. Take it and pop it. Oh my God. I friggin' did it. Wow. That was so easy. Yeah. Look at that. Okay, now the other side. These things are so funny. They're like, whoop. See, that's what I find. These drive me nuts. Okay. Okay. Hold on one second. Oh my God, I did it. Not bad, eh? These things are so tricky. I know they shouldn't be, but they are. Okay. So the next thing is the lipstick. Now the lipstick that she suggested is Wife Goals. I don't know what the hell that means, but catchy name. And I also chose the lip liner. I don't normally wear lip liners, so this is kind of fun. There you go. I have to say it goes on pretty smoothly. And so sorry, this is also NYX. Oh, that's why I call it NYX. It's called NYX. Then I'm going to take my Wife Goals. There you go. This is a beautiful color, don't you think? It goes on really smoothly. So there you have it. Look how gorgeous and glamorous I look now. With all these beautiful cosmetics that were suggested, give it a try yourself. Get ready because we're going to be able to go out to restaurants soon and you're going to be able to enjoy your family and friends again. Now, if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. And if you wish, subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you around. Take care.